Hello there, and welcome back to our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create campaign templates. Save time on recurring campaigns by creating templates during setup. Templates are perfect for regularly scheduled campaigns. You can access them with a single click to streamline future campaign efforts. So let's get to it. Go to the Create Campaign section in the main menu. Select Voice or SMS, according to the type of campaign you will be creating. As you start the campaign creation process, you will notice that the initial slot prompts you to select a template. It is here that you will be able to select your template in future campaign creation processes. As we dive into template creation, remember to keep the first slot unchanged for now. Next, select the sending account for your campaign. Pick a name for this campaign. Opt for a unique and distinctive name, as it will simplify things for you in the future. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Send Now option. Select this if you want to send the campaign immediately. If you prefer to schedule it for later, click on the Schedule option. You can review this process with more detail through our Create SMS or Voice campaign tutorials. Choose the option that best suit your intentions. Click Next. In the Contacts section, you will find a scroll-down menu where you will be able to select the contact list to whom you want to deliver this campaign. Bear in mind that this option is relevant only if you've uploaded a contact list beforehand. If you haven't, do not make any changes here and proceed to the bottom box. If you don't have a contact list yet, you can download it by clicking on Download the .csv template heading. Before proceeding, please ensure you've filled out the spreadsheet. It's crucial to correctly categorize each column and populate all of them with information. If any column is left empty, the platform will not allow you to upload your file. To upload the file, you can either click on the purple icon within the Upload Your File box, or directly drag and drop the file into the same space. You'll know the file has been successfully uploaded when its information appears inside the dotted rectangle. Navigate to the right-hand side of the screen under the phone header. Select the option where you have stored the mobile phone numbers. Proceed to choose the wildcards that you will be using in your campaign's content. Click Next. Enter the sender ID that will be sent along with your message. Please be aware that some country regulations may restrict the personalization of this information. Proceed to craft the message that you'd like to transform into a template. When you're ready, simply hit the Save Template button located at the bottom of this section. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to name your template. Choose a name that's easy to recognize for future use. Keep in mind that your template will be linked to the contact list you've already assigned, so it's important to remember this for your upcoming campaigns. Click Generate. Your template is now conveniently accessible in the Template section of your main menu, found under the History category. And that is it for now. We hope you have found this tutorial useful. Thank you for choosing our CPA's platform, and have a fantastic day.